Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. How are you all? How was your vacations? Did you miss me? Did you miss your teachers? Did you study? We miss you all. So students, today we are having our revision class. Whatever we have done before vacations, we are going to revise. Today we are going to revise Unit 1, My Home. So we are going to revise first, recall first what we have learned about my home. What are the things you can find in home? Number 1, bedroom. Who is going to tell me what is bedroom, what we can find in bedroom? Anyone remember? Yes, bedroom is a room in a house that have bed, tables where you sleep, have some cupboards for your clothes. Number 2, kitchen. Kitchen is very common. Everybody should know about it. Kitchen is a place where your mom cook food, where you can find pots. Number C, washrooms, where we wash our face, we take bath. Number D, terrace. Number E, dining room. Dining room is a room where you can have a dining table and we have our meal there. Garden. Many people have garden in their home and many people don't have. Garden where you have grass, plants, flowers. And at the last, porch. I'm sure you must know what is porch. Porch means a place where you park your car. So, we have recalled what we have learned in my home. So, we are going to have an activity. I will show you the picture and you are going to tell me the names. Which place is this in the house? Number 1, look at the picture and tell me which place is this. There are pots, cups, shelf, stove, fridge. Where we can find all these things in the house? Correct. Kitchen. This is the picture of a kitchen. Now look at this. There is a bed, wall clock, a computer table, one sofa to sit. What do you think? Which place is this in the house? Yes, this is a bedroom. Moving on the next picture. Oh, there is a dining table in the room. So where do you have dining table? Yes, in the dining room. So this is the dining room. Now next picture is, wow, grassy field, flowers, butterflies. Where do we have these things? Can anyone guess? Garden. This is the picture of a garden. Okay. Tell me this. There is some bathing area, bathing tub. There is a basin with a towel, with brushes. Where do we have these things in the house? Yes, this is the picture of bathroom. Now students, come to the exercise what we have done from this unit. In this unit we have done answer these questions, fill in the blanks, make words begin with letters CL and GL. Remember cloud, clue, clear, glue, glass. Yes, and we have done grammar portion, pronouns. Okay, now can anyone tell me what are pronouns? Anybody knows? Remember, Pronoun is used in place of noun. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you, your, I. These are all pronouns we can use instead of noun. For example, Sarah is a girl. Dash is tall. Now instead of using Sarah, I am saying she is tall. So she is pronoun because she is used in place of Sarah, and Sarah is a noun. So she is pronoun. Ali is a boy. Dash is my friend. Now what we can use instead of Ali? Think. Ali is a boy. Dash is my friend. He is my friend. Excellent. Sarah is a teacher. Dash teaches English. Now what we can use instead of Sarah? Just now I have told you, Sarah is a teacher. She teaches English. Next example. Birds are sitting on a tree. Dash are blue in color. Now instead of bird, bird is noun. So instead of noun, we use pronoun. So what you will use instead of birds? There is S in the birds, means there are more than one. So more than one we can use they. Birds are sitting on a tree. They are blue in color. The cow is an animal. Dash gives us milk. The cow is an animal. Dash gives us milk. What we are going to use instead of cow? It, because it is one cow. They are talking about one cow, so we will use it, not they. The cow is an animal. It gives us milk. Fiza is my friend. Dash is a singer. Now again, name of a girl, Fiza. Fiza is my friend. She is a singer. Ahmed runs very fast. Dash is a cricketer. Now, what you will use instead of Ahmed? Yes, he. Ahmed runs very fast. He is a cricketer. So student, this was the revision of Unit 1. Hope you have recalled all of it. Tomorrow we are